Urugare utumukite mbunge mbere ya kamiti ya kuthurima kigina kia muingi thutha wa komishoni ya kwandika maobitha a borithi kuga ona thutha wa gutemania mateta mao ciumia igiri mbituku mbere ya kamiti ino ciigie rubonge rwa borithi kurega kurekereria rekodi cia misara ya maobitha a borithi nginyagia riu rubonge rwa borithi no rwenyiteire rekodi icio.
During the period under audit, the National Police Service Commission was denied access to the National Police Service payroll, and hence payroll inspection and human resource audit could not be carried out to determine the implementation status of the Commission's policies and resolutions.
Munene wa borithi Douglas Kanja aikarĩire gĩtĩ gĩkĩ kĩbiũ akĩendwo atarĩrie gĩtũmi gĩa kũthiĩ mũgarũ na gatiba na mũmwandĩki. Kanja augĩte komishoni ĩrĩ na rũtha rwa kuona rekodi ciothe ĩngĩbatara ciĩgiĩ maobitha a borithi ĩndĩ abũrĩrwo igũrũ na mĩario nĩ ambunge kuona ndekũbutagia kĩrĩa gĩkũmũretete mbunge kĩrĩa nĩ gũtarĩria gĩtũmi gĩa kwaga kũbeana rekodi cia misara ya maobitha a borithi kũrĩ mũmwandĩki.
I want to assure this committee and the public, the country, at any given time, every other time, we are required to provide any given document to the Auditor General and any other body that is authorized by the laws and the Constitution to do so. We are always ready to do that.
It was not possible to determine implementation of policies is access to police payrolls and other related records. And he's saying all the time.
It's not about giving them records or giving them access to reports. If anything, the person who should be giving reports is the commission giving reports to the IG, not the other way around.
You are addressing Kenyans. Do you feel where you sit in your capacity that all those articles, all those articles of the Constitution, paragraphs, sub-paragraphs have been adhered, and we want you to be very clear. Ndereti ino iria ebyubete cienda cia ambunge makira Kanja ti kiboto gukorwo mwandiko akibitha rekodi ciake kuri mumwandiki. Kamiti ino yathite Kanja kubeana rekodi cia misara ya maobitha a borithi kuri komishoni ya kwandika maobitha a borithi NPSC na ibenya o uria kwabotekeka niguo muthurimi wa mathabu abote kuthurima rubonge rwa borithi.
And we need feedback from the CEO to this committee that now he has the payroll.
You hand over all the HR function, and this is immediately. Don't say we are going to give it in 1 week. No, make it as soon as you get back to the office.
Bonge ici cierĩ ikoretwo na ngucanio ya utongoria kwa ihinda rĩu. Komishoni ya kwandika maobitha a borithi ĩgĩtetia rũbonge rwa borithi barĩ kũmaritũbĩria wĩra. Ngĩribotera Inooro TV ndĩ mbunge-inĩ ya bũrũri kaunti-inĩ ya Nairobi, njĩtagwo Mercy wa Ndia wa Mũrĩithi.